Alright, today I want to show you and take you through how I get started organizing and route planning my day with the work that got sent to me. So what this is detailed inspections. I'll be going to these locations where they service Medicare and Medicaid clients and doing an doing an inspection on their inventory, if they up and running, if they have their licenses, insurances, or their paperwork in order, be considered. So what I'll do is just copy and paste my orders, this location. This right here will just generate a route, the smartest route to take, along with more information on how long the route will take. Okay, so it's showing you starting points. I'm gonna press plan route, and it brings you to a map where it shows everywhere stop 1, stop 2, stop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back to the location. I'm gonna take you with me today, show you everything on how I do these detailed inspections and how fast it takes. I'm usually in and out of a building within 20 minutes, and it pays pretty good. So come on with me and take you through step by step, show you real life examples of how I make money doing my side hustles that could possibly turn into a full-time job for somebody and could definitely change your life. So stick with me. So yeah, welcome back to my channel, Avenue, where we get straight to the revenue. In this channel, like I said before in the prior ones, we get straight to the point, no fluff, real hustles, real gain, real income. So today I got about 8 businesses I gotta inspect. This is different from the other clients I hire. Other clients, I do commercial buildings, apartment complex, restaurants, and stuff like that. That's the good thing about getting into this industry. The sky is the limit. You can deal with one customer, one client that keep feeding you work, then you have multiple clients that keep feeding you work. There's no ceiling or no limit on how much work you can do, as long as you stay organized, get the jobs done, get the invoices on, close them out, schedule all your appointments on time. But I created a system where everything is scheduled, everything is in order. So if I'm in one part of an area and I have 10 clients, 10 customers, 10 businesses I need to go see, I'll make sure I schedule everything on one day in that area. Another day, this area, another day. Just make sure I just have everything organized. So like I said, it's eight clients I want to take you along with me to show you how I interact with these people, how I go into a business, how I present myself, and everything you need to know if you're interested on this side hustle that could potentially become somebody's full-time gig just with this one client. So just come on with me. Easier ways to make money from a 9 to 5. Sky's the limit, like I say. You don't want to be stuck in a bubble. You want to be able to maneuver how you want to go on vacation, how you want to work where you want. See, it's real deal. I'm not just sitting here Googling how can I make money doing this. I'm actually out in the field doing it. See, something about me is it's hard for me to stick to one thing for a long period of time and not lose interest or feel like I'm stuck in the matrix, or my life is just, I'm just categorized in one thing, or I'm known for this, I'm known for that, I'm known for that. Now I like to move around, figure this life thing out, and it's actually keeps me on my toes. So along with all my other hustles I got going on, I just add this one. I'm unlocking this one. I'm showing you guys the real ins and outs of inspections when it comes to all the way to commercial. By the way, all three of these clients have one thing in common. They all three are insurance companies. You could sit there and build this up to a $1 million business if you do it right. In a later video, I'm going to show you how I use AI also to close out these work orders, because some of these work orders you need to sit there and describe in great detail your findings in these businesses you inspect. But that's in another video. But this video right now is going to be all about just inspections. I'm in and out. By the way, each inspection today was about so 8 properties. Do the math. I'll be finished within probably 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Simple. But this is like one of my clients that like filling work, different inspections. Like I said, I'll show you later on different inspections I do. But for now, just hang in there. And I want to talk to you real quick. I'm headed out to my first stop. But as I'm driving, I'm sitting here thinking that it's so much money to be made out here in this world. It's like some people just don't know how to get to it. You gotta be there. You gotta be the one to get up and want. You gotta want it first. So that's why I pride myself in finding different ways to make it, to figure out different ways that I can sit there and actually make money doing what I like to do. I like the freedom. I like the plan. I like to go on vacations. I like to spend time with family. And I'm also teaching my son that you don't got to be tied down to just one thing. There's all different types of ways to make money. We're in 2025. They're basically planting money and giving it out to people. All you gotta do is have an LLC, and you'll be surprised the things you can do with this. Especially what I'm doing now, this inspection thing. Basically, what you need is a cell phone to start to get going, and a couple other things with the different type of inspections I do. But with this inspection, all you need is a cell phone, probably a printer, just a but if you don't have a printer, you can go to a library and print out the work orders. But it's simple. I'm gonna take you on with me. I'm in and out, 20 minutes tops. It's an app you pull up, you run down the questions, it tells you everything that asks these people. It tells you any paperwork you need, you just print them out. You run down the questions that ask them. They show you the paperwork, you take a picture of it. And if they don't got it, you just mark it. If they don't have it, off to the next one. My biggest expense right now, and this is just fuel, gas, but it's nothing compared to the money you late. So it's about being organized, like I said. So hang in there, stick with me. I'll get back to you and show you how I take care and manage this side hustle that could potentially be somebody's main hustle, main job, main business, and could potentially change somebody's lives. Thank you for tuning in. Watch with me. I'm sharing you real numbers, real businesses, real hustles, no fluff. All right, so I'm at my first stop. So what I do is basically just, before I even hit the go inside the building, I'll sit there and just confirm location, GPS, showing pictures of the exterior of the building, showing the address, stuff like this. But I'm just gonna sit here and fill out as much as I can for now. And simple, type of facility is it? So you see what type of building it is right there. So it's office suite building. Does the signage appear to match the business? You answer a couple questions. Yes. Did you go inside the facility? Yes. Did you speak with somebody inside the facility? Yes. Full name. Is the listed business open? Yes. Does the name of the facility appear to have employees and staff present? Yes. Does there appear to be signs of customer activities during the survey? Yes. Does the name of the facility appear to be operational? Yes. Full name of the person I spoke to in the facility. So with this inspection, I don't even need to go in there and take photos of their inventory. What I do need to get a name of somebody who I spoke with inside here. So come along with me, I'm gonna show you. Hello. It's like a I'm here to burn out with. Is it like a supervisor or manager I can speak to? Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Hello.
How you doing? My name is Brian. I'm with CMX.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
This is like, I just had to get a name of somebody who I spoke to. Also the photos of the hours of service. That's all.
Okay.
I took a photo of the outside already.
Yeah.
They want to confirm you guys open, up and going. That's all.
Yep.
Can I have your name? 1 second.
I think they're looking for two.
No. Diana name.
Well, she's the one being credentialed, so.
President. Okay. Yeah. Code. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yep.
Can I have?
You need business cards?
No. That's all. I just need your name.
Yep.
Last name.
So it's I-N-J.
J. I.
Yep. N. G.
Yep.
R.
Yep.
I.
Yep.
S.
Yep.
E.
Okay. And what's your title?
I'm the manager, and a new partner. Yeah.
Okay. So that's about it. Like I said, just take a photo of the thing.
Yep.
Note that everything's up and going. I'm out your way.
Okay.
Thank you, John. Appreciate it. Simple. Just like that. And then I'll. Okay, so now once I completed everything, sign my name, submit the form, it's processing, uploading, boom, just like that, all set. Okay, see, that stop I just got finished with was just a quick inspection. What I was going and looking for was the hours of service, making sure I got in touch with the manager on duty, supervisor, whoever may be available at that time, get a name documented, upload into the app. I also get the hours of service, take a picture of the entrance, making sure it's handicap accessible, and then within 2-3 minutes. Simple. So off to the next one. I'm gonna show you how I do it throughout the day, but I also have a couple inspections here that may be a little more lengthy, where I have to ask about 20-25 questions, but it's all simple. Just ask questions, document, click, take pictures, and move on. So like I said, it's impossible for people to sit there and say, oh, I need a job, there's no work available, because I'm showing you straight up, sky dynamic. We need a smartphone, probably a vehicle, and you're able to make money, change your life, make your side hustle your main hustle. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, so stick with me. I'm gonna show you my next stop. Peace.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Good, I'm
Brandon. Nice to meet you as well. I'm here for I need to see your DME inventory closet.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right
Can
this way.
I have your name first? Last name?
It's the one.
Title?
MA.
All right, perfect. How many closets you guys have?
We have 3 closets,
Okay.
and then we keep our slings just in a separate area.
All right.
So our slings are kept just right here, just for easier access for us. We
Okay.
keep like so many of them on stock.
Perfect. It's all good. Yep.
And then we have an upper, a lower, and then we have our cold therapy closets.
Okay.
This one's gonna be our upper.
Yep. Perfect.
I'm sorry, upper and lower.
Yeah,
I
lower,
apologize.
upper. It's
I always
okay.
get it. I always do that.
Perfect. Let me take a picture of these tags.
Yeah, of course. And the tag here too.
Yep.
And then this is our cold therapy and our crutches are in. Oops,
It's
sorry.
okay. It's okay. Perfect. That's all. Just gotta take a photo of the hours of service that you guys have listed on the door,
Yep.
and that's about it.
All right, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Everything's gluten-free. I have not. To check the kitchen. Have a wonderful day.
You as well. Have a good one. Hours of operation. Address, exterior for signage. Push for pedal. Take a picture of this top. And that's about it. 5 minutes in and out. That was an example of another type of inspection I do, is where I go in there and check out their D&L inventory, making sure that their inventory closets. So as a perfect example of me getting in there, making contact with person in charge, taking me to the back, showing me their inventory, the document it, upload it to the app, off to the next one. Most of my stops today is gonna consist of that, but I probably got like 2-3 of them. Well, I have a third, I'm gonna show you a third method of inspections that I do regarding this inspection. And this is when I go in there asking about 20 to 25 questions, making sure they have order, paperwork in order, earlier licenses, insurance, stuff like that, document and submit it. This probably takes about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna keep taking you along with me, spilling some more games, showing you some more gems of different ways you get creative. Okay, I'm at my third location. It's called Peak Physical Therapy location. So what I'm gonna do right now is I get out the car, picture the outside. See how this goes. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. My name is Brandon. I'm with Is there a supervisor or manager available right now?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Thank you.
All right, Keith is on his way for you.
All right, thank you. Cool. Hey, how you doing? Like I said, my name is Brandon. I'm with Medicare Medicaid. So I just need to get a name of somebody who I spoke to in this facility. Okay. Make sure everything's up and going. Yeah. All of the service is posted. Photos of the, just a photo of the Just a
Yeah,
in motion, that's all?
Yeah.
That's about it. Can I have your name?
Yes, you got it. I was hoping it was the same guy. The last 5 times someone's come to visit, it was the same guy. It was like Havemeyer, Havemeyer.
You the owner?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. 5 years ago we moved in here.
Okay.
They sent you in because it was our.
For the interior of the
Every
baby.
5 years, a place like this needs to redo our.
Let's take a picture of the bike.
Yeah.
That's all. Okay. That's about. I don't need to go. I don't need to go
Okay.
inside. I don't need to go
I was going to
inside.
show you around.
I've done seen a lot of these today.
I'm sure you have.
Do you guys have like an address posted? Other than no, I don't see an address. I just know the GPS just brings me to this location. No address.
I don't know. I mean, we have a 10-foot sign. Is that something you guys want?
No. It's just something that they asked me to for.
Yeah,
in
and
there.
we put our hours on here
Showing signage. Okay. Yeah, I see the hour.
and our address and our email address.
Okay, no, that's fine. It's fine. I can just take a picture of the sign and it just says 7. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, no problem.
Keith, that's all I need from you.
Right.
Simple.
Anything more?
Thank you
ever
so
get
much.
Broken, we'll fix you up.
I love the slogan. Have a good one. Address is not listed, but confirmed it with the signage. Also confirmed it with the owner.